Welcome back. Here we break down heavy equipment operations, site accident lessons, engineering failures, OSHA safety, insurance risk, and operator best practices, so you can prevent the next costly job site failures.
Olha lá, velho. Ai, foi.
Viado,
Foi.
viado.
Foi. 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 Acabou.
O que eu falei que eu tô? O que eu falei que...
At Capanema Escapamentos, this Scania truck knocks down a utility pole, later turned into a clever promo. A reminder, tight yard maneuvering demands clear space, spotters, and safety checks. A true giant, the Big Bud 525-50, delivers extreme power with its 525 HP engine, capable of pulling massive plows and covering huge fields fast. Work that could take many tractors a full day can be done in just a few hours. Valued at over $300,000 plus in 1977, today, due to its rarity and legendary status, it is estimated to be worth $1 million to $1.8 million. It represents raw agricultural strength. At San Lorenzi, Viños Campo Largo, a tank transfer failure sends grape juice erupting like a geyser, nearly 1,000 liters lost. A clear lesson in pressure control, valve checks, and process safety to avoid costly industrial waste.
Нихуя себе! Пизда! Все. Пиздец. Нормально.
This vibratory road roller slipped when the truck moved before lowering jacks. Always secure ramp spurs, engage brakes, and lower supports before unloading. A low bridge misjudgment destroys this luxury yacht during transport. The damage can exceed $500,000 plus, highlighting route planning and clearance checks.
Oh my God! Engine! Engine! Back up, back up!
Já! Sai!
A Ram 2500 with a Cummins diesel pulls a stuck Peterbilt semi-truck from deep snow, showing raw torque power. But safe recovery needs proper tow ropes, traction, and controlled pulling to avoid damage. This JCB 3DX loses balance on uneven trench ground, poor positioning, and soft soil risk tip over. Lesson here is to follow OSHA safety rules, keep stable footing, and avoid overreaching during excavation. Midway across, floodwaters swept the dump truck off the road, stranding it in raging currents near Tanzania's $5 million Usalul School project. Unpaved routes, plus heavy rain, lost time, equipment, and millions in delayed development.
Ele ia virando.
Ia pegar de frente naquele menino.
This big excavator with a long arm carefully tears down a building. No explosions, no wrecking ball. Safer, cleaner, and easier to control. Costs a lot, but keeps people in nearby buildings safe. A Via slurry tanker, loaded with up to 37,000 liters, tips into a ditch, likely from soft ground and high center of gravity. Recovery underway, but these spills cost thousands in cleanup, lost manure, and downtime. Always check shoulders before turning.
Bravo, maestro!
Cato crane snapped mid-lift. Boom collapsed. Recovery failed. Overload or metal fatigue. Either way, one break turns a rescue into a total loss. Kiravet's K701 loader meets HTZ T150K in a field of Soviet steel. Two Cold War-era workhorses still pushing dirt decades later. Built tough, not pretty. Frustrated by hours of waiting, a Trevo trucker in Brazil dumps his load right in the yard. No crew to unload, no patience left. A raw look at logistics gridlock. When time is money, delays hit hard.
Aí eu dou valor, hein?
Carregar essa porra não vai, meu. Of America and in the proud spirit of our great country.
I just got three things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your engine!
That Cat 6090 FS isn't just big, it's $30 million of moving metal. With a 4,500 HP engine, 4,000-gallon fuel tank, and on-site assembly costs, the real price tag climbs fast. Hauling it? Another $500,000 in logistics. This isn't equipment, it's a capital project on tracks.
Gak bisa nanjak, lari mundur. Ban.
Terus.
The red articulated truck swerves into oncoming traffic in Mojokerto, driver likely hit by microsleep. Head-on crash with a dump truck, multiple vehicles wrecked, but miraculously no lives lost. Just another reminder. Fatigue doesn't warn you, it wrecks you.
vida.
Freight train meets New Holland CR combine at a rural crossing. Truck hauling the harvester didn't clear the tracks in time. Total loss on a $500,000 machine. In farm country, timing isn't just logistics, it's survival.
Mira. Se salvó la máquina de pedo, ¿eh? Tuvo mucha suerte, ¿eh? Qué bárbaro, che.
This Neolix X3 Robovan isn't braking, it's adapting. Bouncing over potholes and gravel, it's proof that China's 10,000-plus autonomous delivery vans don't need perfect roads, just smart AI and solid suspension. The future of last-mile logistics? Already rolling, rough terrain included. A two-story home vanishes into Alaska's Mendenhall River. Just one casualty of the 2023 glacial flood that damaged over 100 properties and triggered a $31 million plan for a permanent levee. Homeowners each paid $6,300 for emergency barriers. The White House later listed for $400,000. Federal aid reached $4.6 million. State costs hit $2.8 million, and this is only the beginning. Climate-driven floods don't just erode banks, they drain budgets. A Ural-mounted KS crane built for Siberian winters digs its outriggers into snow on wooden blocks, chains biting ice. Rated for 25 tons, it's not just lifting steel, it's defying 30 C. Russian engineering doesn't wait for spring.
Пиздец, Леня, блядь, не уронишь?
If you're into heavy machines that laugh at snow, ice, and impossible jobs, you're in the right place. Tap the next video for more extreme equipment in action. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with someone who respects raw, no-nonsense machinery.